am C.H. Satvik, teachers.
నైస్.
I am S.D. Sheikh.
నువ్వు వేసిన ఆర్ట నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్.
Kunkurkai,
ఓకే
teacher.
ఓకే
My name is Pawan, Yana.
ఓకే
My name is Kirati. This is a guitar. This is a handbag.
ఓకే
This is a kukurkai.
కుడికాయ. ఓకే
My name is Kirati.
నైస్.
My name is P. Sanjay. This is a paper flowers. My name is Kaushik. Pen stand.
ఓకే ఇవి ఏంట్రా ఆర్ట్ మీరు వేసినవా? ఓకే ఓకే
My name is Ranita. Third button. Danda.
ఓకే
My name is Shiri. This is pen stand and kitchen.
టీచర్ సరిగ్గా చూపించమ్మా. ఓకే సిడా.
I am Viju. Handbag.
ఓకే
I am D. Nandini. Flower pot.
ఓకే
My name is Shivani. Handbag. Phone pouch.
ఓకే నైస్.
My name is Madhavi. Kunkuma Kaya. Jasmine.
మంచిది బ్రాస్లెట్ పెట్టి. ఓకే
My name is D. Akshaya. Paper writer.
ఓకే
My name is Harsha. English short film.
ఆల్ఫాబెటా? నైస్ నైస్ నైస్. ఓకే సో నైస్ సిడా.
I am C.H. Sirvenala. Pen
Pen
stand.
ఓకే నైస్.
My name is Kesari Chandra. Vaddale.
వడ్డాణం. నైస్ నైస్. ఓకే మన పిఎం శ్రీ ఇది ఉంది కదా, చెప్పగలుగుతారు ఎవరన్నా?
I am SDG. I am studying in 6th class in Priyam Sri ZTHS Gattukkal. We created new items like ID cards, flowers and charts.
వెరీ గుడ్.
I am C.H. Satvik. We studying in 6th class in Priyam Sri ZTHS Gattukkal. We created new items like ID card, flowers and charts. We played mindful games in rhythm activity and Antakshari. We develop our memory power through this funny and creativity game. I am V. Jyoti, studying 6th class in PM School ZPHS Gattukkal. We created new items like ID cards, flowers and charts. We played mindful rhythm activity and Antakshari. We developed our memory power through those funny and creative games. By sharing our tragic and previous situations, our cooperative and understanding ability to others is improved. We learn to control our emotions and behaving better. We also learned karate to protect ourselves. Yoga provided our healthy physics and digital. Through culture improvement, we learned personal physical frequency method. We also attended to protect ourselves from digital threats like hacking, physical and digital threats. Thank you. I am studying in 6th class. We created new items like flowers and charts. We played mindful games in rhythm activities and Antakshari. We developed our memory power through those funny activities and creativity games. Thank you.